nanotechnology has the potential to reshape the global economy, and in the Philippines, it is slowly transforming various industries, from healthcare and agriculture to manufacturing and renewable energy. As a country seeking innovative solutions to economic challenges, the Philippines stands to gain from advances in nanotechnology. In this exploration, we will assess the economic benefits and challenges nanotechnology presents, while looking closely at its potential to drive growth in key Filipino industries. Agriculture remains one of the backbones of the Philippine economy, employing a large portion of the population. Nanotechnology has the potential to boost productivity and sustainability in this sector. By using nano-fertilizers and nano-pesticides, Filipino farmers can reduce the use of harmful chemicals, improve soil health, and enhance crop yields. This advancement could lead to cost savings for farmers and increased profitability as their products become more competitive in local and global markets. However, the challenge lies in making these technologies accessible and affordable for small-scale farmers, who form the majority of the agricultural workforce in the country. In the manufacturing sector, nanotechnology is poised to play a pivotal role. The use of nanomaterials in electronics, automotive, and textiles is opening new avenues for industrial growth in the Philippines. Lightweight, stronger materials derived from nanotechnology are enabling the production of more durable goods, reducing the cost of raw materials, and making Filipino-made products more competitive in global markets. By embracing nanotechnology, the Philippines can position itself as a regional hub for high-tech manufacturing. However, to fully capitalize on this, the country will need to invest in research and upskill the workforce to handle the challenges of nanomanufacturing. In healthcare, the potential impact of nanotechnology is transformative. With nanomedicine, Filipino doctors can provide targeted treatments for illnesses such as cancer, reducing side effects and improving outcomes. This could lead to a reduction in healthcare costs, freeing up resources in the country's healthcare system and allowing better access to quality care for all Filipinos. Nanotechnology in drug delivery and diagnostics could also spur the growth of pharmaceutical companies in the Philippines, creating a market for nanomedicines that address local and global health challenges. Yet, the challenge remains in ensuring that these treatments are affordable and accessible to all Filipinos, particularly those in underserved regions. The Philippines, being rich in renewable resources, is well positioned to benefit from nanotechnology in the energy sector. By incorporating nanomaterials into solar panels and wind turbines, the country can increase the efficiency of renewable energy production. This could significantly reduce the nation's reliance on imported fossil fuels and contribute to energy security. In the long run, these advancements could help the Philippines meet its climate goals, reduce carbon emissions, and drive the creation of green jobs. However, challenges include the high initial costs of implementing these technologies and the need for stronger government support to promote widespread adoption. While the benefits of nanotechnology are clear, the Philippines faces significant challenges in fully realizing its potential. Investment in education and research infrastructure is critical. Filipino universities must train the next generation of scientists, engineers, and researchers to work at the cutting edge of nanotechnology. Unfortunately, a lack of funding and access to advanced equipment often holds back progress. Additionally, there are concerns about economic disparities, where the benefits of nanotechnology may be concentrated in urban centers and high-tech industries, leaving rural areas behind. Addressing these challenges will require public-private partnerships and stronger support for science and technology in the national development agenda. As global demand for nanotechnology products grows, the Philippines has the opportunity to carve out a place in the global nanotechnology market. By developing unique nano-products tailored to local needs, whether in agriculture, healthcare, or sustainable energy, the country can position itself as an exporter of innovation. Filipino startups, backed by government and private investments, are already making strides in this field. However, it's crucial to establish trade agreements and partnerships that allow for the international commercialization of Filipino-made nanotechnology. In this way, the Philippines can create high-value export markets, driving long-term economic growth. As the Philippines embraces nanotechnology, the potential for economic transformation is immense. From agriculture and manufacturing to healthcare and renewable energy, nanotechnology promises to drive sustainable growth, create new industries, and enhance the country's global competitiveness. But with these opportunities come significant challenges, including investment in education, accessibility of technology, and the need for inclusive growth. By addressing these challenges head-on, the Philippines can harness the power of nanotechnology to build a prosperous, resilient, and innovative economy, one that benefits all Filipinos.